them like all the way across to like Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, even the fucking Indian Ocean before they even do anything. How many times I've nearly rear-ended people because my brakes just don't work? It's becoming a problem. Obviously, when you change your brakes, you don't need to declare it to your insurance. I hope, imagine I've just absolutely baited myself out. But luckily for me, I'm fully insured, modifications and all, with ADRIAN FLUX. And even luckier for ADRIAN FLUX because my chances of stopping in a crash will have shot up from 5% to like 100. What a win, guys. So if you guys want a quote for your car, the link to ADRIAN FLUX will be in the description. So I've actually ordered all the brakes. We've got new brake pads, new brake discs, and then new brake shoes for the back. I need new fucking shoes, mine are filthy. So I've actually gone just for the Drive Tech brakes. These are the brake discs. We could get membrane, you know, the good brake, really good brakes for like £35 for my Micra. That's crazy. But I thought I don't really need them. Like these were 17. These, whatever they are, couldn't tell you. Not quite sure. I'm gonna say the shoes. Again, the Drive Tech brake pads. Whole new brakes. I'm so excited because it gives me anxiety because I'm like, I'm literally gonna crash into everyone and everything because they just don't work. Yes, I'm gonna take the car home, we're gonna get it in my garage and then we can start working on it. I'm gonna do it all by myself, guys. Hopefully, I'm gonna try my hardest to do it all on my own. So I hope you're fucking proud of me. I hope you're proud. Because I'm gonna be fucking proud. Right, so we've got the car in the garage. I've obviously got the brakes behind me. We're gonna start with this. Oh, I've never noticed how bad that is. There's not even half the fucking hubcap's not even here anymore. It's just, it's snapped. Cut the cable ties off, which I'm definitely gonna have to buy some more because I learned the hard way with my C1 on not using cable ties on your hubcaps. They disappear, like they just go. Yeah, so I'm just gonna crack these bolts off, then we can get the car jacked up, ready for the new brakes. I'm kind of winging this, like I've low-key watched one video, so I will have to go back to the video, but I am low-key winging. I don't really actually have a clue what I'm doing. Couldn't tell you. Anyway, excuse my jumper, it's like the perfect jumper to work in. I like to call this, personally, my Greek Eros jumper. It's like it's a bit of a masterpiece, really. Now my brain's trying to understand the toolkit, and I ain't got a fucking clue what I'm meant to be looking for. Yeah, I don't get them. Smart. 1. Oh. 21. I don't even know if this is on the right way. How are you meant to know? I'm gonna go left for lefty loosey. I'm gonna break my back. I don't even know if I'm going the right fucking way, guys. Apparently there's a breaker bar. Oh my god, guys. Ah! Bad boy, I've fucking done it. My hands hurt though, I won't lie to you. I'm sweating. Fucking hell. I really cracked some box off and I feel like I've done a whole workout. Yeah, so I've got to actually tell you guys, so I'm doing the brakes because you have to push, obviously the car's not on, but you have to push it like halfway down, maybe more, before it even does anything. It's like a knock-on effect. I drive this and have to brake really fucking hard because it doesn't do anything. And then I get back in my Audi and the brakes are really good. I nearly sent myself through the fucking window because I pressed the brake and I was like, whoa. Maybe we'll have both my cars that stop, wouldn't that be a thrill? We go to all safety precautions today because it's me doing the brakes, so that's like a safety red flag already. I'm quite proud of myself, you know. I'm really like trying to like do things on my own more. Like I want to start working, like learning stuff. Obviously I'm on my own, so like, yeah. Okay, my moment of truth, guys. Terrifying. Okay. Should have hoovered the floor before I started. Look at this shit. Okay, so we've got the wheel off. This is what they're currently looking like. I don't quite know what they're meant to look like. Bit crusty, I can tell you that one, but I suppose we'll be able to see a little bit more when we like take it fully off. But that is what it's looking like right now. Oh yeah. So I'm going to undo these two, this bolt and this bolt. Oh goodness me. Someone told me make sure you don't round the bolts off. So I've got one bolt. Watch an Tbox video, by the way, guys. Actually, credit where credit's due. Really helpful video. Great step-by-step guide. I look like I've been dragged through a tree. Can you guys even see? Second bolt, take it off. But I think, ain't it like you don't want to bend this wire? But he hangs it, right? But I've got nothing to hang it by. Oh, look at him with his fancy fucking, he flicks it through there, hangs it on there. Brake pads off. Why does he do that then? 'Cause they sound horrible. Oh! They look like that though. I don't know if that means there's stuff on it or if there's absolutely nothing on that. I couldn't tell you. I'm not quite sure. Perseverance. These are good for multiple uses. I've absolutely annihilated this one, I can't lie to you. I get a little bit of like impatience and rage, so I just battered it. And it's still stuck, so that's really mint actually. This toolbox can be used for many things, many fucking things. Okay, so ignore the hammer marks. That's what this one looks like. Look at that, one's a lot fat. Oh, so this is the bit that you want the most of. Oh, this one's quite low then. Fuck knows. Anyway, what's next? Look at my hands. These are like workers' hands. Don't violate me. Oh, that's the wrong side, that's why. So I'm just undoing, did something like the caliper bracket. No, I'm not gonna. Ow. Because you're too fucking big, you don't fit on. You're kidding. Ah. No. No, I don't like. That's wrong. Surely that's wrong. Oh. I've just been a pussy. I done it. A spanner's the same size as sockets. Like if I've got a 17 this, is it a 17 this? Oh my day! It's moving, is it moving? Oh! Fucking hell, I nearly died. Oh! My hands are in pain, you have no idea. I'm not cut out for this shit. Fucking... I'll come back to you guys when I've actually got the bolt off, because I'm gonna rage quit in a minute, like rage. Oh. Oh, I just axed my car. Oh. No, I just axed my car. I'm in. Robert come home and saved the day, so the last bolt is off. The old disc is off, which again, doesn't really look that bad. Now we're just gonna wire brush like round it. Dad's making me use a drill because he's got the brush bits for a drill, so I got me fucking bad boy safety goggles. Oh, that's hard to control, Robert. It's got a bit rogue. Do you not find this thing hard to use? No. Oh. That one. Okay, so we're all prepped and ready for the new brakes. We've sprayed out in these little holes because they're a bit gunky, and these that go in there, they've been cleaned as well. I don't know why they're different, and I hope it doesn't make a difference because I don't have a clue which one come out of which hole. So, look how shiny they are! If I was a magpie right now, I'd be absolutely gassed. Shit everywhere, guys. I can't cope. The organisation skills are giving me a meltdown. It's just not going well. Just had a Subway though. Fun fact for you. It's lovely. Ah. Oh my god, they look so shiny! I don't want to use my hand. I'm at. Is that in? Sick. Okay, so next I think putting this thing back on. I've got a little bit of brake cleaner. Oh god, I shouldn't have done that because I'm going to get it in my eye. Oh. That just ruins the vibe. Do you know what I mean? Like, look how silver and lovely that is. And then you got that. Okay, the bolts are in. I just need to tighten them up. But that took way longer than it should have. I feel like it just wasn't, I couldn't get it to sit, like, nice. It just kept slipping or it wouldn't, like, go through the second kind of bit. Like, it wouldn't go through this bit, it would just go through the other bit. And, like, freaking raged. Sorry, guys, I know a lot of this video has just been me sitting here, but, like, I'm just trying to learn, man. Like, I need to flip it because I'm tired. Ah, look at me go. Look at me fucking go. Is there a bee in here? No, I think it's the strimmer for the grass. New brake pads on. I still can't tell if it's a bee. Oh. I done it. Bad boy. I'm practically a certified mechanic now. I've changed some brakes on my Micra and I feel like I could do anything. Okay, so next step is we actually need to wind the caliper back to then put it back on, and then it's literally just tightening the bolts on the caliper, putting the wheel back on, and then we're done. Ah, oh my god, I can't believe I'm nearly there. I'm nearly fucking done that. I'm so excited. And then it's just repeat the process again. How fun, can't wait. And then, do you know what the worst part is? I've just eat. I'm gonna have to tidy up so that I can move the car there so I can sit on that side. Sick, guys, we've got everything back together now. We've got obviously new brake pads, new brake discs, no discs, pads, calipers back on. That was a bit of a pain in the ass to get on actually. Bolts didn't seem to want to line and go in and whatever. We makeshifted a tool to wind this and this to wind the caliper back. Well, you're much better at that than I am. Okay, so it's the evening. I've just been for my eyelash appointment. Cute. I've moved the car to the other side. I'm going to do the other brake. I've got a few friends coming around. Keep me company, help me. But yeah, I don't need to film it because obviously it's the same as the last side. But tomorrow we're going to do the rear brakes. So I will see you guys in the morning. Guys, we've had an absolute shitter. Let's have a bit of like a TED Talk vibe. I'm going to get a pillow because this floor's really cold. TED Talks with Chloe. Yesterday, my Audi broke down. I hate that fucking car. The end. You guys don't know to the extent the issues I've had with this car. Obviously you guys know we put a new engine in, and I haven't filmed anything after that with the Audi, but I have quite literally been in the garage like every single week. Like, I'm so fed up. Like, every week I show up with my car and it's like they're probably fed up with me, I'm fed up with them. Not in like a mean way, like they're all lovely, but like, do you know what I mean? A month after having the car back, I had an engine light come on. I was told I needed a new O2 sensor, so I paid for a new O2 sensor, which was like 250 pounds, something like that, like. And then the light come back on about 2 days later. We took it back for more diagnosing and stuff. And then on Friday, we just had, I had 4 new fuel injectors put in. And as soon as I got it back, I drove home and I thought, this doesn't feel like right still. Really revving itself, like really bad. It was misfiring, like. Yesterday I was taking my dad to the garage to pick his car up, and my car stopped started, and then when I went to start it again, it literally wouldn't start. Like this was in like the middle of the road, traffic everywhere behind me, and it was just cranking over and over, but it literally wouldn't start. Had a warning come up, it was a brake malfunction, like contact the workshop, and I fucking panicked, man. Like I said, if my dad wasn't there, like I would have literally been like crying in the middle of the road, like. And then after like 5 minutes, we managed to get it started, but again, it was just driving like shit. It was misfiring. I got it to the garage and I said to them, like, it's just, I'm leaving it here, like I need it looked at. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to pay for it anymore. Do you know what I mean? Like, this is the 3rd time now I'm trying to fix the same problem. What am I paying for if it's not fixing it? But yeah, that is that. I just thought I would update you guys. So, slight change of plan with the Micra. The fronts are all done. We bled the front brakes. That's what that is. Bled the front brakes. We've got new brake fluid in it. But rears, I have looked and I have heard that the rears are a little bit more complicated. And obviously, I need my car for work and everything like that because I don't have the Audi anymore. I'm going to take the wheel off, just look at the back ones, see if they look fine. If they don't look too bad, then I will leave them for now.
Wait, have we? Did you get that picture I sent you?
Okay, so I've just had an eye test. Your girl's got fucking mint vision, so that's good. Because I would not be wearing glasses even if they told me I had to. There's absolutely no way. I don't think glasses would suit me. Yeah, obviously I've been dailying at my Micra and my brakes are so much better, guys. Like, it's crazy to brake and they actually work. I didn't really film back when I checked the rear brakes. I didn't really film, but they were fine. There was loads of like thing on them. I don't know what you call it, like filling. I don't fucking know. We're gonna leave them for the time being. I might do them at another point of time. That is the Micra brakes done. It's so much better. It's so like less anxiety inducing to drive. Like, I just know that I can stop now. But yeah, I am unfortunately going to end today's video here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Let me know what you want on the Micra next. Let me know what mods you want or anything you want doing next. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Follow me on Instagram at @chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you, or we'll see you, in my next video. Bye!